And I think that what we're seeing right now, somebody's alarm clock is going off. What we're seeing right now is that our single efforts are not going to be enough. What we're going to have to move towards is societal change in a big way. And some of what's happening now on the political level is a reversal of all the things that we lost the last 4 years, like the Endangered Species Act, the protections for grizzly bears, protections for the Bears Ears National. I don't know what that beeping is, but I don't think it's me. So I guess what I wanted to say to you is that the changes that have to be made are global. Just like we need a vaccine for a virus, and we need something that will ultimately enable us to get into the Alzheimer's disease process. We have to be able to get into the political, social ways of doing business that we've gone about in years past. So if you're looking for something specific to do, I think it's best to join up with a group, with somebody who's doing what you're interested in. If you're interested in climate change, which is really the most difficult thing we've got going on, there are many, many groups, 350.org, local groups.
What in the world is that?
I do not know what that is. I'm so sorry if it's me. You know, hang on.
Now, I hope you all are thinking of questions for Sue, because shortly we're going to be inviting Emily Berg in, who's going to be fielding them. Did you figure out what it was?
Yes, I did. And this is just the funniest thing. This clock was my father's clock. I had it beside my bed for all the years since he died, which has been about 7 or 8. I had it out here in the living room because it was broken and it was going out to the recycle. And I have never heard it go off, but it just did. Now, is that serendipity or what?
No, that's a message from you know who.
I am so sorry, but it's just really the way it was. He wanted to be part of the conversation.